2019 at New York. Thank you, Tommy Toys, for sending us these Ritzy Rollerz. And if these toys are new to you, like they're new to us, make sure to keep on watching to get a full review of these toys. If you think these are cute, give us a big thumbs up. Guys, our comments are disabled, so for us to communicate, give a big thumbs up if you think these are cute. Here's a better close-up, and if you think they're cute, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. And if you think they're adorable, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and ring that bell. Okay, guys, let's roll to the video.
Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a better close-up of this new Groovy Gabby Cherry Ritzy Rollers. These are new. We haven't watched anybody unbox them there so far yet. And these are called Besties. As you can see, these are miniature cars. And also they come with charms that you can mix and match on their tires. They're super cute. They're sparkly. And there's so many different designs that you can add to them. Check this out. There's a drink, there's a diamond, there's many cute ones that you can mix and match. And these are ages 4+. It looks like these are gonna be serious one. In this little cart right here, it's called Wheels on Heels. I can't wait, guys, to see what's inside. So be sure to keep on watching to get a full review of them. And there's 4 packets right here. It is called Forever Friends. So I wonder if it's gonna have any scent. It looks like an ice cream there, but they're totally really cute. Some of them are fuzzy, guys. Be sure to keep on watching to get a close-up of the fuzzy ones. All right, guys, so let's roll to the video.
Delivery. Thanks.
All right, girls, let's get unboxing.
All
right, Luna, let's unbox the cart. Let's not make our friends wait any longer, and let's get unboxing. The package is just so pretty, guys. You wouldn't want to rip it. Alright, guys. So we're going to make this unboxing quick. I'm going to get the scissors, get them all ready up, and we'll be back. Alright, guys. So the girls are almost done unboxing, and I'm going to get to you with the checklist for the Heelz on Wheels. So it looks like it's going to be 3 different type of cards. There's one over here, and this one's called Sprinkles on Wheels. And the one on the bottom, which is this one right here, is called Dance and Dazzle Spot. So there looks like it inside will be activities to run along with the miniature cars. And there is Series 1-3. Show off your unique style with Ritzy Rollers. Accessorize their wheels with cool Ritzy charms and store them inside. Then the opening booty trunk. Also looks like you're going to be able to store your charms inside too. And look, there's 1, 2, 3, I guess, clubs to collect. Oh, I can see a unicorn here. Natalie, they have a unicorn as well. Can't wait to collect them all, you guys. These are adorable.
Okay, guys, here comes Heelz on Wheels. It looks like a little kitty. Here's a close-up, you guys, so I'm going to show you how it looks like. The top is all sparkly purple, my favorite color. Me too. Everybody's favorite color. Yeah. So in the inside,
and if you guys also favorite color, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys hit the like button if that color is your favorite too.
It came with stickers. This is supposed to be like one of those stands that you do like that, or either like that. So like you can hold the wheels, charms in it. So here is where, let me demonstrate. Here is, so there's a hole right there and right here too. So you put it in there for display. Smart. Guys, look at all these charms with all different characters or styles. So this is how you put it in. And this is how the back looks like. And you can either display like that, or you could either display it like that. And let me show you another compartment. So right here is where some spots, it has holes in it, where you could display these two. And on top you could also display, oops, like that. like maybe a car could come. This is basically a charm shop for the cars. And they could spin around and see what kind of car charm they want.
Okay.
Heelz on Wheels came with Heelz. And on the cars, they may be fuzzy, maybe ultra rare. This one, it has a booty trunk. In the trunk, you can stack your heels or your charms inside. So like, if there's specific ones that you want to put on her, you'll put it in here.
Guys, I want to give these little charms some justice. Look at, check them out. They're super cute. They're so tiny. You can mix and match from card to card. And you can also accessorize them as you like. Look, but they're so pretty.
Okay, guys. So, you can take off the wheels that she had. So, let's add some watermelon, my favorite. Mine too. And you can put it in there, and it works exactly like a wheel. And you don't have to put specifically all of them watermelon. You could mix and match. Other side. Ooh, sunglasses. Summer. I love these bits. And here's how they work. They work the exact same time. And when mommy's car is driving somewhere, we're going to. Now I'm going to show you the forever friends. Here's a close-up, you guys, so you can see them better. So right now I'm going to show you Cherry. She is a tiger. She is a tiger, I guess. And she has like green stripes around her. One half of her wheels are covered and the other half isn't. So let's cover that.
And that one you can also store in the trunk, right?
Yes. So that is you can also take it out, so it's also repairable, you guys. Now all you gotta do is mix and match. Look, this side is different from the other. Here comes Sophia Serve. She is a fuzzy yeti, and she is fuzzy.
She's fuzzy?
Yeah.
From where? From the top?
From everywhere. Except the
Oh
bottom.
my god, so there's fuzzy ones too, you guys. And wait until we give you a close-up of the one with the hair. They're so adorable.
Again, her wheels are different. She looks so cute. Just add them. Yeti. Okay, next up. Beep, 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 beep. And next up. Next up is Groovy Gabby, which is her. But these two are the besties.
I can see her adorable ponytail, you guys.
Oh, yeah.
And she's sparkly glitter.
Oh, and she also has a trunk. Next up is Frenchie Braid. She has actually real green hair, you guys. You could design it. You could do a braid on it as her name, Frenchie Braid. She's, I guess, a fox. And her mask is rose gold.
Alright guys, and the next two we're going to show you belong to the besties. And they are right here, which is this two. And they are called Groovy Gabby and Cherry. So we got two of the besties.
Here are the two besties, Groovy Gabby and Cherry.
And she's also fuzzy, you guys.
These two, you guys. This is Cherry. And these are Groovy Gabby. Maybe
Oh, how
sisters.
cute. So we made two sisters, guys.
That's Natalie.
And the orange one is so fuzzy too, right, Natalie?
Yeah, the orange is super duper fuzzy. I can sleep with it. Oh, yeah, no trunk. I think all of them have the trunks. And lots of... Now we're going to decorate our car. So first, our stickers. First, we're going to put on the mirror. And this mirror. Guys, here's the mirror. Now I'm going to put this sticker right here. Here it is. Okay guys, so I think this room is fully decorated with the stickers. Yeah.
Guys, we got two more. The stickers are so groovy and cute.
Okay guys, I'm going to put it.
Okay guys, so the stickers went on the display.
Okay guys, this is all for today. I hope you guys really liked it. And if you did, give us a big thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button and ring that bell. And make sure to check out those videos at the end of this one. Or right here. Which one was your favorite, guys? Make sure to give a thumbs up on which one was
Or
your
he
favorite.
thought
Or have
Ritzy-
you spotted your favorite?
I think my favorite was all of them.